Professor 𝗕𝗓𝗏𝗪𝗏, esteemed invitees, many of whom are my mentors and my dear friends. In fact, I am very happy to say that I am so happy. After a long time, I am given this platform to say a few words. First of all, I would like to thank Professor Nimai. One fine morning, I received a mail, and in that mail, Professor Nimai sent me one short message that please write your autobiography, and he sent me a copy of a draft of autobiography by Professor 𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏. Then I was thinking, I am a little shy in nature also. Should I write my autobiography to praise what I had done in my lifetime? So I was very reluctant. 2 or 3 days I was thinking. Then after that, I still remember his Professor Muba, my mentor. He has said how he suffered in his early days in the LP schools, in the high schools. Like that also, what I did suffer during my early life, my father took me to Tamenglong, and I was put in a class 1 or 2, and I could not understand the local dialect. So my father told me, come back and you study in the house. And after a few months, he just admitted me in class 3 where the teaching was in English or in manipuri. So I was overburdened, and in that condition I started my studies. Throughout my life, I was too young for my class. So this I remember. Then I came to, after my MSc, I came back here. I didn't get any job. When my old friends got job in DM College or in GP Women's, and I had to run to JNU Center, and I was running after Professor 𝗓𝗏𝗏𝗏, and how I struggled. Then after that, by that time, there was no funds in the university. And for research, we need money. Then we don't have money from the university, because even the Manipur University was suffering to pay the salary of the teachers. And we used to get salary after 3 months or 4 months. So how did we face to make a project, present it to the Ministry of Environment, to DST, to CSIR, to get some funds so that it will support my research. So this I remembered while, these 2-3 days. And I said, yes, I should write it. Because unless I say that, nobody will know. The young people will not know. I used to ride bicycles to collect fish from Uriambam. I went to Moirang by scooter. I went to Chakpi-Karong by scooter. And, I hid my scooter within, the hangam in Sero. Then I went for fishing. Those things I remember, and I should write something so that at least the young people should learn and how to face life. So I started writing, although his Professor 𝗕𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏 said I am very weak in English also. But somehow I requested Professor Nimai, please do the, proper English editing so that it can be presentable. So I think I have not read the book till today, and I have not seen all the articles. There are 50 articles I heard. So now I feel that today it is a good thing that Professor Nimai has taken as a very good initiative to record the works done by the young people, the old people, how the science has improved in our state, and it will at least give some gist to the young people, to young researchers, how research can be conducted. So I congratulate RIST properly, particularly Professor Nimai, and I wish that his book, second volume, be also a very successful publication. Thank you once again.